the hill today on the YouTube channel. Oh, hell yeah.
What is up, everybody? Boy, it's a hot one this weekend. But I'm going to go ahead and do something I've been wanting to do for a little bit on this channel. We gave a little sneak peek to it. I'm going to introduce you to a new friend of mine, Evil Red. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen, right here is Evil Red. This is my drag quad. It's got a 440 Artic Cat on it right now. I am sourcing a triple for it. We're going to do a little room making for the triple, but man, I tell you, I love this little drag quad. Just got her up and running. She's ready to go. We were out here at Rouch's for the drag races. This is going to be the first test drag race that we got going on. It should be pretty interesting. We'll see how it works. And got one issue though. She'll go. Right now, she won't stop. So I got to figure out how to fix this. I'm out here without any parts, of course. I might have to make a run to a store. But yeah, this is Evil Red. Welcome her to the channel. She's only going to get more badass as we go. Already done a little bit of work to her. But yeah, we're going to be running this thing tomorrow with any luck. And seeing what she'll do at full throttle. I do have a couple tricks up my sleeve. There is more throttle I can get out of her. It was dumbed down. Now it has gone 5 seconds in 300 foot with this throttle setup. I'm pretty sure I can get a little bit more out of it. So I'm gonna get to working on that brake and I will be back at you. We are out here. We're getting ready to do some racing. Yeah. Well guys, let's go for our first rip on Evil Red. See how this goes, huh? Maybe we'll pick the right lane on this one. I already took her out one time, checked it out. It's a bumpy ride, but it's good. It works. Definitely need more brake, but we'll figure that out. I need more brake. I need more brake. I think he was scared of it a little bit. Okay, we got my buddy Matt there on Evil Red. He's gonna run against Ken's son. We're gonna see what it does. Uh-oh. Blow the belt. Oh, no way. right, we got a couple of them lined up here. Evil Red, Old Purple, and this is the new guy that Brian got. She's looking pretty wicked. So yeah, the track is it's working out. The light's working out. So far, so fun. We're running down there to that cone. That's 300 foot right there. Oh, Devin getting its jiggy out. Oh yeah, get it, Devin, get it. So yeah, here we go with the modified ATV class. This is gonna be a good time right here. We got more of them coming up.
Drivers are up here chit-chatting like gossip girls.
Gossip girl.
It all kind of depends on, you know, how big we can get the tri-state mini rides. If the track is good, but with us, I mean, with the garden tractor side, I mean, typically about 80.
There we go.
On a decent day, I mean, the opportunity is there if you want to build.
Yeah, okay.
Your far side.
On far side?
Yep.
All right.
All right, y'all.
Ken, Joe, you guys are up.
$20.
Joe, far lane. Ken, inside.
Well, your dad got me. Organization a little bit.
To be given first time.
Yeah.
Joe, you are up next. Ken, also up.
Hey, you turn the fucking gas on, it runs way better.
Yeah, right? rolly bar.
That's why Ken don't use one.
Parlay.
Yeah, you got me. You got me. Here we go, we got the final ADV, here we go.
How was that?
That was good. Oh yeah, here we go. We got the Chevy versus the Hummer. We are just in the runway right now. Everybody's just having a good old time sending some stuff. It's gonna be good. Yeah, Jim. Well, the first one's in the bag.
It rocked.
It went really good. We had a lot of really cool people show up. Well, Evil Red needs some work to be faster, but it ran down there and it drove back on the trailer. So,
And some wicked machines came out today.
yep.
Make sure you guys come out July 26th. It's
Yeah.
our grand opening, and it is going to be amazing.
We're gonna light off fireworks. It's gonna be a good time.
Yep. Who knows?
See you then.
Maybe even a fire race.
Yeah. Well, you know it is Rouch. He got down. You see how he got down?
All right. Well, we're kind of flexing.
We're kind of
We're
fucking
kinda
flexing, yeah.
You know, we're out at our home park. You know, got to give a big shout out to Jamie and setting up the drag strip and being able to do what we love to do. It has
Yeah.
been a blessing.
Straight line, fast.
And
We
what's
can.
nice is they gave us a little bonfire.
Just a little bonfire.
One.
Next to a pond.
You know, you asked why I wanted to stand over here. Well, what's really cool is I got two machines behind me.
Flexing.
Flexing. Right? I got a Kodiak 450
But then I got a Can-Am XMR 1000.
Yeah,
Right?
she did her work.
The suspension difference, I got 2 wheels off. That thing looks so stable.
One wheel.
Yeah.
One wheel, brother.
Yep.
At least it's not on fire.
Yes. And unfortunately, old Leadfoot Jimmy had an issue tonight.
God, it sucked, man.
Yeah. Luckily,
I knew it smelled
I
funny.
like riding at the back of the pack, and sometimes you start seeing a little bit of different smoke and smelling something that coming off.
That definitely wasn't Klops.
No. But he lost a basically a little ECM for his what is that?
My shit caught on fire, y'all.
So yeah, as we got her back home, Evil Red, she was awesome out there. She started every time, drank a whole bunch of gas. Was not the fastest, but you can't expect it to be the first rodeo, right? So we already got a couple things on the plate that we're gonna do. We're gonna handle these carburetors, do some work on them, maybe open up the jetting a little bit, change the air filters, get all that stuff cleaned up. And we're gonna go through and we're going to run a different tire pressure next time. Obviously fix the brake the way it needs to be done. And just see what we can do to just make her a little bit quicker and hook. That was the biggest issue. It was just blowing the tires off. It wouldn't hook. Everybody else was screaming by me because they were getting traction. So there's some stuff we can do, put some weight on the back or something. We'll figure it out. But anyway, this is awesome. And I can't wait for the next video. The next couple videos, this is pretty much the content we're gonna be doing, because we're gonna be building this thing into something crazy. So let's go, man.
Oh, that might work.
Hillbilly Hunt. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell